In this Your Stinger on the Road tutorial, we'll show you how your Stinger reacts when encountering a radar speed trap. Please note that radar speed trap alerting features and functionalities are only available where allowed. This video is for Stinger users with a strip interface. Your Stinger offers superior alerting against radar-based speed traps. Radar-based speed traps determine your speed with the help of reflected radio waves. Those radars may be set up temporarily in a car or on a tripod next to the road, as a radar gun, or be part of a fixed installation such as in a cabinet next to or above the road. You are driving and focused on the road. Up ahead, a mobile speed trap is installed on the guardrail. The speed trap sends out a radar signal to measure speed. Because of Stinger's incredibly accurate radar antenna on your car, your Stinger can detect reflections of this radar signal very early on.
Radar K.
Your Stinger will give an audio warning and the strip will blink red, letting you know you are getting a radar alert. The faster the red light will blink and the faster the sounds follow each other, the closer the relative distance to the radar source.
Radar K.
You can mute the audio of a radar alert by tapping in the middle part of the strip. Your Stinger can sometimes warn you for radar signals that aren't from a speed trap. For instance, radar signals from automatic sliding doors of a gas station. To eliminate these so-called false alerts, please watch the False List video tutorial. Please update your Stinger on a regular basis to make sure you're optimally protected against different kinds of radar speed traps. Updating is easy. Connect the Stinger USB key to the Stinger desktop app on your Mac or PC. Check out the Stinger desktop video tutorials on how to update your Stinger. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our other tutorials on how to optimize your Stinger experience and protect yourself even better against speed traps.